Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, June 12th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold definitely did keep on pushing up today. I said today that if it breaks down at a Fibonacci level, it'd probably be a good sort, but there definitely has not been any breakdown at a Fibonacci level. And like I said this morning, we have to keep in mind that every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. Even if we think this right here could be a wave X and we could be getting ready for a big move down, we have to follow along with the market. If the market never breaks down at a Fib level, there's really no reason to go short, but instead you would continue to look for three-way pullbacks on shorter time frames. No matter what our early wave analysis is, we have to listen to the market, and the market definitely hasn't made that double top at a fib level to tell us to start looking for shorts. So I would definitely continue to look for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, little 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.